Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you another interesting manicure video. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So, I'll start by getting my hand file and file the surface of my nails. I'll make sure I file the edges as well. Next, I'll come in with a dehydrator and clean off any dust and oils on the nails. So this time I'm going for XXS, that's extra small square nails, and I got this from AliExpress. You can check it out. I'll get my nail coming with a little bit of nail glue and then press it onto my natural nails. I'll push it into the cuticle area to give it that very natural look. Afterwards, I'll come in with my file and file off that pointy end at the tip of the nail. I also file the surface as well to make, adhesion easier. I'm going for the classic red nails, and I have here my mat gel I got from AliExpress. It's thick and you don't need to apply a lot of layers. I'll give it a first coat. Go ahead and cure it under the UV light for about 60 seconds. Afterwards, I'll give it a second coat. Then I'll seal it off with a glossy top coat. So here we are. If you love short nails, you can give it a try. Let me know if you like the color. So don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to share with family and friends. Until next time, I am going to see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye.